Hello Talkers Free Theater fans across the UMN. It was a pleasure to take a trip through possible worlds at the EVS this week. In one possible world, we learned that it's early bird time for the 2013-2014 season of Talkers Free Theater.
Why are we talking about the 2013-2014 season already? We have not seen scenes from the bathhouse yet.
In this world we have learned that there are some great specials if you purchase your subscription before June 1, 2013. The 2013-2014 season will feature 6 shows from Shakespeare to Miss Caledonia.
Sounds like a great array of upcoming shows in the EVS.
Let's now read through the lineup of shows. On October 2, 2013, a one-night special engagement of Hawk.
Sounds like a great event to see in the EVS.
I do not have much details about Hawk yet because the information is not available on www.tif.ca. Between November 28, December 7, 2013 you can catch an evening of hilarious comedy in The Sneeze.
Ha 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 ha, The Sneeze sounds very funny.
I will now read you a quick synopsis about The Sneeze.
Okay. Read away.
On the home front in Barrie, Ontario, the season will be launched with The Sneeze by Anton Chekhov, translated and adapted by Michael Frayn. The collage evening will include material Chekhov wrote for the stage, pieces he adapted to the stage himself and Chekhov. Stories adapted by Michael Frayn for the stage. These hilarious short vaudevilles are the brief glimpses into human folly, adversity, eccentricity, ego and exasperation. Directed by Marty Meriden and starring Lucy Peacock.
Yay! Lucy Peacock is returning to the EVS once again. I remember her in Do You Turn Somersaults.
Of course, Lucy Peacock graced the EVS back in 2011 in Do You Turn Somersaults. Between January 9th and 13th, 2014, a cutting-edge world premiere adaptation of a piece of Shakespeare entitled as The Last Romeo and Juliet.
This sounds like a great show to catch in the EVS.
I will now read a quick synopsis about The Last Romeo and Juliet.
Okay, read away.
A conceptual adaptation of Shakespeare's tragedy will be set in a Canadian retirement home. Romeo and Juliet has become synonymous with the idea of forbidden love, love that is not condoned by society. In Shakespeare's day, young teenagers may not have been in control of their own sexual destinies, but now today it is our oldest generation for whom new love is taboo. In our version, Romeo and Juliet will be played by actors in their 70s, whereas their parents will be played by actors of the biological age to be their children. Through this relocating of Shakespeare's text, the production will explore the faded powerlessness and subject of old love, which can feel more impossible and just as star-crossed as that experienced by Romeo and Juliet. Directed by Mitchell Cushman.
I love the 70s. Disco era bot.
Hello Canadian vaudeville fans across the UMN. I hope you will love this world premiere Canadian musical. Between March 20th and 29th, 2014, the Wachowski brothers will buzz the EVS.
This sounds like a great piece of Canadian vaudeville. I hope to see this musical.
I will now take a moment to read a short synopsis about this new Canadian musical.
Okay, read away.
Book, lyrics and music by Wesley J. Colford, will be given the world premiere after the previous version's successful run at the Toronto French Festival in 2012. 8 years after splitting their act, Canadian vaudeville legends Jimmy and Conrad Wachowski reunite for a one-night tribute performance. As the night goes on, original skits and songs bring old demons to the surface. Jimmy's ex-wife Caitlin joins them as painful memories and past betrayals conspire to destroy the attempt to rebuild their shattered relationship. Directed by Richard Ozanian.
Sounds like a great musical to catch at the EVS. I love to take a field trip to see all these pieces of EVS.
Between April 10th and 19th, 2014, the haunting contemporary musical, Floyd Collins.
Sounds daring and fascinating to hit the stage in the spring of 2014.
I will now read you a short synopsis about this haunting musical.
Okay, read away.
The haunting contemporary musical Floyd Collins with music and lyrics by Adam Giddel, book and additional lyrics by Tina Landau and directed by Peter Jorgensen, in co-production with Vancouver's Patrick Street Productions. In 1925, while chasing a dream of fame and fortune by turning a Kentucky cave into a tourist attraction, Floyd Collins himself became the attraction when he got trapped 200 feet underground. One of the most acclaimed in recent years, this revolutionary musical tells the transcendent tale of a true American dreamer.
Sounds like a great musical. I cannot wait to see this.
Last but not least, we will wrap up the 2013-2014 season between May 23rd and 31st, 2014 with an amazing Canadian story about Miss Caledonia. I will now read you a quick synopsis about this Canadian story.
Okay, read away.
Miss Caledonia, written and performed by Melody A. Johnson. Desperate to escape the stall cleaning, hay baling drudgery of 1950s life on rural Route 2, Peggy Ann Douglas dreams of becoming a movie star. Can she sing, twirl and pivot her way into the hearts of the pageant judges to set her on her path?
I think this is an awesome season to grace the Meady Center for the Performing Arts this fall and into next year.
Since this is an early bird special, I will now read you the various subscription options.
Okay.
For those who are paying top dollar, you can purchase a Producer Circle subscription for $1,000 or $83.33 per month. This entitles you to see all 5 opening nights. You can get a full season for $150 before June 1, 2014 or $170 after for any performance on a Friday or Saturday night. If you like to catch the show on a Wednesday, Thursday, or Saturday afternoon, you only pay $135 before June 1, 2013 or $140 after. Last but not least, you can get the flexible 4-ticket pass for $120 before June 1, 2014 or $130. Bring a group of 10 or more to the show for $25 each. Don't forget you can purchase tickets to Hogue for $31 each. You can call the Talk is Free Theater box office at 705-792-1949 for further details about subscriptions.
That is a lot of stuff for us robots to remember.
This now concludes our talk about the Talk is Free Theater's 2012-2014 season at the Meady Center.
Where is the Meady Center again? Some people who live in Barrie have not heard of the Meady Center.
The Meady Center is located at 1 Dunlop Street West, Barrie, Ontario. I will post the details and Talk is Free Theater's website in the description box below the video screen. Enjoy the show.
Robots out. Barrie, Ontario.